A cute baby sits on the floor, happily playing with colorful toys in the nursery. The baby suddenly touches its nose. Something feels strange. A sneeze is coming. Cue. The baby sneezes, sparkles appear, and the baby turns bright blue. The blue baby looks at its hands in shock. Why am I blue? Another tickle in the nose. Achoo. Now the baby turns pink. The pink baby starts dancing happily. Pink power is fun. The nose tickles again. Achoo! The baby turns yellow. The yellow baby jumps and plays with floating balloons. Oh, ooh. Another sneeze. Now the baby turns green. The green baby waters tiny plants. Everything grows happily. A huge sneeze comes. The baby turns rainbow colored. The rainbow baby slides down a colorful playground slide. One last big sneeze. Magic waves change the whole nursery into bright colors. The baby wipes its nose and smiles. All better. Now